Start. 5 minutes duration. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to see all of you, those who are experts in the field of education, health, and also eminent political leaders who are ruling the different states as well as in the center in their respective areas. I am glad to note that this conference is going to discuss the most important problems facing the country at present, that is unemployment and poverty. I would like to share my views with you. It is now time that you should rather think of these instead of indulging in very petty issues such as the communal riots, for which the main cause is based on a particular caste which affects a handful of people and thereby making waste of time, ignoring the major problems of unemployment and health hazards. If we neglect or ignore, it will affect the people, young children, and youth who are pillars of the future of India. I have no doubt that the governments in the past have drawn many schemes to overcome the problem of unemployment. The present government is continuing the good schemes which were already in pipeline. At the same time, if any scheme is not giving expected results, the present government is very keen and will not hesitate to abolish such schemes and introduce new and viable scheme for the overall welfare of the state. To combat against unemployment problem, we all must pledge ourselves that not to depend entirely on government's help, but start to live on their own by establishing their own business according to their qualification and technical skill they have. Poverty is another biggest menace in our country. I would like to emphasize the intervention of the government in this regard. There are many reasons for poverty in our country. Lack of right action, activities in various sectors such as agriculture, industry, etc., is one of the reasons for the prevailing poverty in our country. Due to natural calamities such as floods and droughts are hindering our agricultural operations. If government pays attention and forecasts the issue and constructs the multi-purpose projects to some extent, we can come out from the dangers of floods. But in the case of drought, government in the state where the drought conditions prevail State government should request through the central government the necessary food grains from the neighboring state where there is surplus stock of food grains.